Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama and this is my rich daughter-in-law. We're going to make LECHE FLAN. Hi, I'd like to introduce my co-host for this video, my eldest Apo, Leia.
Hi.
Watch us cook our delicious LECHE FLAN.
Yeah, it's really delicious.
She tasted it already.
Yeah, it's really good. Mom is a great chef. She always makes good food.
Yay! We are now doing the first step, which is 2.5 cups of brown sugar on 1.5 cups of water. 10 eggs, and we separate the egg whites. 16?
Yes. 8 per ano ma? 8 per recipe.
Also, we are using 8 eggs per recipe, and this is the egg whites of 16 eggs. We have separated the yolks. These are 16 in all for 2 recipes. Okay, patience is a virtue according to the chef. So this one is evaporated milk, cowbell evaporated milk. You pour it on the 16 pieces of yolk. And another one which is also evaporated. It's a different brand, so you can just test along the way which one you like better. And then we'll put in condensed milk. This is a special spatula for taking out all the condensed milk from the can. Remember to take it all out. This is not good for me. I'm diabetic. I'm trying to control my sugar, but maybe a teaspoon is good enough just to have a taste. And another one, which is
Condensed milk.
another condensed milk.
Dalawang condensed, dalawang.
So for the 16 egg yolks, we added 2 cans of evaporated milk and 2 cans of condensed milk. That's Girlie, my daughter-in-law, cooking. Annalyn doing the sugar, to which Girlie says, patience is a virtue. Tama ba, ate? She's supposed to be helping, but instead she's eating chips while she's studying for her MAPE exam.
Hi.
That's the way you mix it all up. You try to break out the egg yolks. And then, is it just a one-way mix or any which way?
Kahit ano. Ay, one way ma. Kasi
One way. Okay, you mix it one way.
to prevent the bubble from forming.
Prevent bubbles from forming. And she's adding
Vanilla.
vanilla. That gives it a lift. That gives the aroma. That makes you like to eat it more. Pansit, it's waiting time. Some matting on the table that has a plastic covering so we prevent anything getting burnt. Is now preparing the containers. We have the small ones and the medium
And
ones.
also the a little bit big ones.
Yes.
They're kind of a little bit big for our baby hands.
Oh. Thank you for that contribution, Leia.
Ano yan, Gracie?
Gracie is swimming in the bathroom. She has a small swimming pool in the bathroom, making all the noises. So we have to cover each llanera with aluminum foil.
It's the cover that will cover up here.
Yeah, that's right.
And then we're gonna freeze it in our rack.
Okay, very good.
Let's cook na.
I remember when we when I was 5 years old since we moved.
5 years old ka pa nun?
Since we moved, I don't know it.
I think you're 6.
Yeah. I hit it. And then
Yeah, be careful though.
Okay, done. No, kasi, no.
just like circle it. Time for cutting it. Just because it might produce bubbles. So it should be like this medium fast, so that it will not have more bubbles. And you need to wait for a while.
There's the sugar coating.
Where are we gonna put it?
Here.
There? Can I put it?
It's too hot for you to handle. I don't think you can. See.
Mainit ate, mabilis siya uminit.
And then when it's done, can I put this one?
Yeah.
Okay. It's
You have
not
to filter it pa.
okay. Now we have to put inside a milk bag. But don't make it too hot, because when your kids touch this, it might be too hot for them. Their finger might get really burnt.
So that's why you shouldn't touch. So you will get burns.
So you
You want to have burns?
You can wear this or
Hindi kasi ako nagsusunog mo kasi napapaitan ako. Iba yung iba yung sinusunog lang
Oh,
yung
sabi
sugar.
nila susunod daw ng konti.
Kasi maganda yung itsura niya, parang brownish yung taas talaga. Pero, ang ayaw ko sa kanya kasi parang nalalasan yung parang
Naka-counter daw yung sa konting bitterness.
Yung tamis.
Lumalabas daw yung tamis ng sabi ng iba. And the singer is Leia. What are you gonna sing for your Christmas presentation? You're still thinking?
Yeah.
Your teacher asked you, diba? And you volunteered to do a solo number. You're going to sing, you said. Mommy has to send to your teacher the title.
we will send the teacher the title of your song. You should choose
So
na.
you
You
should be
choose na.
careful because you don't want to get burned.
Yeah.
You should put that in all of them.
Kasi kung ayaw mo naman na matamis, huwag mong
Kunin.
yung yung syrup. Ito lang sa yung matamis dito.
So you gotta make it perfect. You gotta make it perfect inside there so that you can eat it. Yeah, but you have to put it in the rack first.
You can eat it even if it's not in the as long as it's not.
Okay, what Girlie said is that if you are going to eat it and you don't really like the too much sweetness, then just don't eat the syrup.
Yeah, if it's too much,
If
just
it's
don't eat it.
that's
Oh, no.
nice.
I let it wait for a while because you have to wait for it to cool down. See, it's still hot until it's cool, so that you can put that inside here.
Okay.
And then when it's done, you can put that inside. And then you can, put it in the wrap. But remember, if you don't like the sweetness, you can just not eat the syrup. So you need to mix it like this, not the other way, because it might produce bubbles. Why? Is that the texture?
No, this is the egg and milk sweet.
Okay, remove the bubbles. You don't like the bubbles inside it. that's enough. Mom forget to stop when it's a little bit too much. And just put a little bit like that.
Is it this hold this one?
Okay.
Let me get away from the
Just like this. Okay. This one is done.
Very good. Keep it down.
You need to scoop it. There's only three left. Yeah,
Okay,
three.
wait lang.
Three left.
What's for this one? Keep it properly. Okay, very good. Okay, done. We are going to put the other. Kasi it will just float, it will sink to the bottom now. And then if you're going to put it there, it's gonna sink at the bottom.
The vinegar?
No.
And the vanilla?
The syrup.
Syrup?
Okay.
I mean that one, the one
Yeah,
at the
it
top?
will sink at the bottom.
It will sink at the bottom?
Okay.
Okay. You need to put it there.
Okay. Oh, may kumakapit. Okay.
Can I help?
Sure.
This one is for the big ones or small ones?
Big one ako.
Big ones? Okay.
This is for the small one to. Bye.
Okay. You're fine. Ooh, this is for the small one.
Here.
Huh.
And
Oh, like that.
then you have to take that and then you will fold the side.
Like that?
Look at me, oh, diba? I'm putting it down. Then I stretch it out and then fold it like this.
Like this?
Yeah, and then you see it like that.
Oh, okay.
Good job, Leia.
Okay, so the other ones.
You have to hold it like this and clean it up so that the moist will not go inside. Okay.
Okay. So the other ones.
Okay, let's
I'm
put the
gonna.
small
Wait,
one.
wait.
You do the small one.
I'm gonna take this. Just be careful, you don't want to put some in your hands.
Okay, last one. Let us put it back.
So you're steaming it in 2 batches.
Baka 3 mo.
Baka 3 pa.
Depende
Depende dyan sa steamer.
Maliit ang steamer man.
Oh, ito na isa. Oh, uy! Double boiler ang tawag dito, no? And then, you put this towel like right here so that the moisture doesn't, doesn't fall back into the mixture. That may cause bubbles. Multi-cooker. Okay, for 1 hour. That's how it looks inside the steamer. They have to do it, we have to do it in batches kasi not all of them fit eh. So I will open one and see the surprise, how it looks. Wow!
Super init. Dapat hindi siya super init.
Ah, okay. So the steamer doesn't have to be that hot. It has to be just moderate heat. So that's how it looks inside the steamer. They have to do it, we have to do it in batches kasi not all of them fit eh. So I will open one and see the surprise, how it looks. Wow!
Super init. Dapat hindi siya super init.
Ah, okay. So the steamer doesn't have to be that hot. It has to be just moderate heat so that the eggs will cook well. Let's see the surprise.
Surprise!
Surprise! Wow! Yay! And that's by Girlie over there.